Hey everyone, today I'm going to take you on a journey through the fascinating world of protein synthesis. Buckle up because we're about to unlock the secrets of how your body makes proteins step by step. First up, let's talk about the central dogma of molecular biology, DNA to RNA to protein. It all begins in the nucleus of a cell where the DNA resides. Picture this, DNA is like a giant library with all the instructions needed to build and maintain a living organism. Now, DNA is packed into chromosomes. Humans have 23 pairs of these. These chromosomes are made of DNA strands wrapped around proteins called histones. Within these DNA strands are segments called genes, which are the blueprints for making proteins. The first major step in protein synthesis is transcription. When a gene is switched on, an enzyme called RNA polymerase attaches to the DNA at the start of the gene. It moves along the DNA, creating a messenger, RNA or mRNA molecule. Think of mRNA as a copy of the gene's instructions. The mRNA bases, adenine, uracil, cytosine, and guanine A, U, C, G for short pair up with the DNA bases. Every 3 bases on the mRNA, known as a codon, code for a specific amino acid. Before mRNA can be used to make proteins, it has to be processed. This involves removing non-coding sections called introns and adding protective features like a 5' cap and a poly-A tail. Once processed, the mRNA exits the nucleus and heads to the cytoplasm. Next, we enter the translation phase. Ribosomes, the cell's protein factories, bind to the mRNA. The ribosome reads the mRNA codons one by one. Transfer RNA or tRNA molecules carry specific amino acids to the ribosome. Each tRNA has an anticodon that matches a specific mRNA codon. As the ribosome reads each codon, the corresponding tRNA delivers its amino acid. These amino acids link together to form a growing polypeptide chain. Finally, when the last amino acid is added, the polypeptide chain folds into a complex 3D shape. This folding process transforms the chain into a functional protein. And there you have it, from DNA to RNA to protein, a seamless dance of molecular machinery that keeps life going. Pretty amazing, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fascinating science.